Okay, here's a quick lesson on what we call the vector, or in other words, cross product. This is different than what we defined the other day as the scalar or dot product. It's a second way of multiplying two vectors A and B for a result C. But this time, as opposed to the scalar product, direction is accounted for in these in multiplying these two vectors. Just graphically speaking, let's say we have some vector A pointing in this direction with some known magnitude and vector B in this one. Now this is the similar idea to the scalar product, in which the angle phi in the formula is the angle between the two vectors themselves that we're, in this case, taking the cross product of. So to find the magnitude, now this will only give us the magnitude, that's why we left off the little arrow. All we simply have to do is take the magnitude of A times B, as it says, times the sine of the angle phi in between them. We'll do a specific example in class. That idea is pretty simple. Now the thing that might be a little bit different, not hard, but something you've probably never done before, is figuring out the direction for the cross product. Again, unlike the scalar product, it does have direction, and in this case we use something called the right hand rule. Now I'm going to better explain the right hand rule in class when you could see my right hand, but I'll try to explain it here. The direction, if we are in the XY plane as shown, the right hand rule basically says put your fingers in the direction of vector A, the first vector, and curl them towards, arrange them so they will curl towards vector B. So I would put my hand out like this and curl my fingers this way. And what that does, when I curl my fingers, it will naturally point my thumb in the correct direction. And if you could imagine doing that, or doing it with me on your screen, curling your fingers this way will have your thumb pointing out of the screen. So what that would mean for direction of whatever these magnitudes times the sine of phi between them, the direction we'd put on that value would be a positive z-axis. The z is the third dimensional axis. And if we were to curl them and it would go in, my answer would be the direction is on the negative z-axis. Now, it's not going to be till quite a few chapters till we apply this. Right now we're just learning the general idea, so we're probably not going to get into too much more detail than the vector product than that for right now.